Hello everyone, my name is Krishna Badige. I belong to Electronics and Communication Engineering from SG Balekundri Institute of Technology. We are going to present our final year project on self-driving cars using AI.
Hello everyone, my name is Parinita Paute. I belong to the Electronics and Communication Department from SGBIT Belgavi.
Hello everyone, my name is Cedric D'Souza. I belong to the Electronics and Communication Department, SG Balekundri Institute of Technology.
Hello everyone, my name is Meghna Sawant. I belong to Electronics and Communication Department from SG Balekundri Institute of Technology. This is the model of a self-driving car. It consists of 4 DC motors. The DC motor is connected to L298 motor driver. The motor driver is connected to Arduino board. Arduino board is connected to Raspberry Pi in a master slave configuration. Here the camera module is connected to Raspberry Pi. The camera module captures the images and sends it to the Raspberry Pi board. The Raspberry Pi board enhances the image using OpenCV. It identifies the objects in the image and labels them accordingly.
Using these labels, appropriate commands are being decided and these commands are passed to the Arduino Uno board. According to the commands passed to the Arduino Uno board, the motion of the vehicle takes place.
Now we shall demonstrate the forward motion of the car. Here we can observe the reverse motion of the car. Here we can observe the car stops when it encounters a red light. This is the lane that we are going to use to demonstrate the working of our car. Here we can see the various components, our car, the traffic signal as well as the object. Now we are going to be talking about our red light detection for our car. Here we can see the camera detects the red light in the traffic signal and stops in front of it. Then when the green light is shown, it starts moving. This is a close-up view of the same operation. Here we demonstrate the working of the green light. If there is green light, the car keeps moving without stopping. Now we will talk about lane end detection. Here we can see the car easily turn itself and navigate through various lanes. Now we shall talk about object detection. Now we shall detect about object detection. Here we can see the car detects an object in front of it, changes lanes, moves till it can detect no further object, then comes back to the original lane and keeps moving in its original path. This is the same operation but as seen from the top view. Now we shall discuss about stop sign detection. Here we can see the car approaches a stop sign, pauses for about 3 seconds and then continues moving. This is the same operation from the close-up view.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.